previous video, we have learned about how to install WordPress plugins. And in this section, we will learn about how to edit footer on WordPress websites. To edit footer on WordPress websites, usually we can using two methods. First, after you log in, you can click Customize. You must as administrator in here. You will find footer menu in here if your theme is support. You can see my 2021 themes is not support for footer in here. And you can try it also log in into dashboard and choose widgets. In here, you can see that in widget, we have footer menu in here. You can edit this. This is, you can delete. We are just delete this and see the results. You can see it's gone. Now, this is also footers. You can edit the PHP files. You can open file manager that contain your websites. Open the public_HTML and open wp-content. Select your themes folder and select your active theme. And usually in here also have footer.php files. This you can edit this. For example, this is proudly powered is appear in here. Let's try to edit this. For example, let's using copyright and click Save Change, and this is change. There's a tutorial how to edit footer on WordPress website.